Welcome to the channel, Jaden Chase, and these are some of the top stories making headlines today. Now, it is being said that due to how long Donna Lee Donaldson was with the accused Noel Maitland, she might have been aware of the criminal activity being conducted by Maitland and his friends. It is also said that this was one of the reasons why he was aided by other members of law enforcement as stated by court documents. He was quoted as saying, "The prosecution has detailed the circumstances leading to the alleged murder of the deceased. Further, the prosecution has shown the court the alleged conduct and action of the accused prior to his arrest in attempting to dispose of and in fact dispose of and conceal potential evidence. And he was aided by other persons who are not before this court," stating that this is a bail hearing and these individuals are not here on the bail hearing. They're not seeking bail. Not that the prosecutors do not know of them or know of the part that they have played in what has taken place. Not before this court mean they could be seen before another court. And why this might be a simple statement to people who are listening to the case or else pay attention to what I go on, this is a major finding for prosecutors and also the judge. As this is considered legal talk, they're basically saying we know of the accomplices, but because it's not the murder trial, we're not revealing who they are and what was said. We're only pointing out that they played a part in what took place. Of course, the family is saying all involved should face the penalties of the law. But we know the law work with things like plea deals and certain other legal arrangements. These individuals can tell what them know and say that they unknowingly participated in Mr. Maitland's conspiracy, as he is now being accused of committing murder and covering up the act and disposing of the evidence. Now on to the other stories making headlines today.
Right. Alright. Make we look on this, you say you're down cruel, right? Alright. Make we look on this and say, ask what is cruelty then if you know what you actually attack, say. Me dead down here, so you know, say me dead down here, so before you, your jacket, or be a working sister, we tire on herself by you. Instead of you actually trying to sort out the dog bite situation where she make the people them, make the dog bite up the people them, and you try sort out some type of, payment to the people them, instead of buy ticket and bring her up a foreign to continue goose your brain. So right now she there foreign sit down and now do nothing except for her try wrap up your brain, alright. You say you're not cruel. And me first the down here so I watch it. And me down here so after. Oh, you remember in 2012, one time, me and my brother, you make birthday party for me and my brother one time, you come from foreign, right? And you make birthday party for we. And what you tell we? You say tomorrow you go give we our money down. And when tomorrow come, what happen? All of the food them out of the cupboard missing because your sister from over Portmore named Precious come on with for her daughter and she drew them jog up everything and pack up everything, and then your black witch sister now, she take out the remainder of everything, and because we have a kind of functionality where we understand how certain things work in a year house and in a year surrounding, so we try to keep ourselves away. The little pocket money where we used to get, I hit me use and buy me tuna and me little thing them put in my bag under bed. Under my bed. And what your sister do? Your sister frame we just because you say you go give her money in her morning after we birthday, don't. She frame we say we take out all of the food them out of the cupboard and go under my bed and drag out my little bag with me tuna them and thing under the bed when we never buy nothing like them there either. And say me and my brother take out all the food them out of the cupboard, and where you do ladies are. You say if we come out of your house, don't. Yes. You say if you come out of your house now. So, me come out, and I'm me down here, so, right? And when me down here, so, me start go college of hospitality. And me and Carlton and your father they down here, so, right? Your father live round about Carlton, live up on the second floor, and me live on the second floor, and me I go college of hospitality. And you remember what you do, ladies, sir? So basically, you ladies, you buy that MacBook, right? That 20-inch MacBook laptop there, where you have a travel from Kingston to watch and I use it. And when you come down here one at a time, and I open the MacBook and look upon it, I realize I guest side alone of the MacBook you can use. And you can't go in the original part. So me that wonder about it, cause me think a year one year buy, right? Now, me have one, because you give me one when you buy that one there, right, ladies, sir? So, I look on the MacBook, and me see the app in there where see it were basically the person who own it. They are constantly tracking it. So me never really pay too much attention to that car. You buy everything, so you must know where you get everything. So anyway, me there, you gone to Kingston and me there down here, so I do my exam them all and me thing nearly finished. Right? And you send your sister down here with the gun where you give her money, we figure buy gun. And she come down here. And in a my way, you know, just because me I get money, figure finish my course and my whole school, college thing. She come down here and start in a problem with me. And she and your father starting a problem with me for no reason at all, other than that me I go to college and me I get money for go to college, right? No, that the MacBook where your thief ladies are. The police them come at Kingston when time you have it in a Kingston. The last place them track it at Kingston when you there watch it. When you there watch it and go back at Kingston, the last place them track it down and watch it. And what? The bag of police them come down here, so down in your yard right here, so. You remember ladies, sir? And your sister there in another room there right up there, so right ladies, sir? And the bag of police them come and start search up the whole place. And what you do? What your sister say? Your sister tell you say because me a Muslim, the police them a look for me down. And you actually take that as a fact. Say because me a Muslim, police a look for me, right? And wanna run me out. Wanna take my laptop and light fire and throw my laptop in there with all of my project them, all of my schoolwork when me basically there at college, I kill myself to finish. Wanna take my laptop and wanna throw it in a fire, right? And then wanna run me out, right? And then when time the police them come up and take a handcuff lick shot and I bring him figure lock him down in a jail. And you them come catch with the laptop where you buy from people, where thief people laptop, right, ladies, sir? Did you once apologize for say, yeah, you're wrong and do something wrong? No. But because your sister bewitch you and brainwash you, you always listen to her and make sure do one bag of foolishness. And you mash up me and my brother life, and that if you know. And you see if you keep on come at us, you're not can show your face a road. No. The second instance when me I go to college, the same college people me I go. Me there so and me and my brother there and me in a kitchen. Me have some peas on the fire. And me there on a back and wash my clothes. Me I show you what me I talk about. Round here so me deaf people. See that coconut tree here right here so? When it went alive? Yes. Or you have the light. The wire will tie from it, come all the way down here, so. We'll go up on the window here down here, so. Right here, so people, the line stretch across. Me there, so. I rinse my clothes them. Some of my things them the right at the door there, so. Right? My grandfather and the black witch, the same half sister where ladies have. Around here, so them there talk. And I gotta tell you specifically what them are talk about. Cause all these people obsessed with these ladies and our money and who have control over it. So the two of them stand up right here, so and them attack say, oh, ladies are man. Me no business with him or whosoever him be, but them key attack say, yo, him there, and him there, basically I tell him family and him friends them both say, ladies are vagina ugly and all of them things there. This is what they were talking about. It's not what come out of my mouth. But guess what? I don't have no remorse for me, so me I put out everything raw as me get it. So you're right here, so the two of them stand up and attack them things bullshit. And me round here, so I wash my clothes. So I wash all of my white shirt them, all of my whites them people, and it hang over across the line. I go straight down there. So my grandfather, him leave all the way from around the front and come round here, so and him walk past me, go in our room, him go for weed and cigarette and reason and come back round here, so. Me stand up here, so right over here, so I rinse my clothes, people. When me turn around, the brother stand up right here, so people, I looking at my face. So, me just turn around back and continue to do what me I do, cause guess what, this is how them continue, them come round each and every day if you make problems. So me there, so I still do what me I do, right? when me turn around at the man that again still a look on me with a ugly a look on him face, right? So me say, so me stand up and me there and I look on him. So I talk about, oh, you always a going like, a bad man and rare. And me say, brother, you see me here, so I wash my clothes. And you stand up here, so I look on me. And then you come in an argument with me. Him reel up and him not have nothing to say, so him just shake off all of my white clothes in the dirt, yes, people. All of my white clothes, the brother shake off in the dirt. So me get mad and me I say, you see how me always avoid, and I stay out on the way and I still come and I come in my way and I create problem for come say, and call ladies, we tell ladies, I say, yeah, and me I give problem and I do just because you want to get money. Boom. My brother come down, brother had gone for.
Boom. The man around yourself time done. The man don't shake off him clothes. Because they down yourself, the side door your way I come through. So through me see my wash, me say, alright, bam. I go wash my clothes too. So we come out to have a pot of peas on the fire. I cook. Rice and peas we are going to cook. Me tell him, say, yo, me have a coconut over the wall. When me did throw over, me I go around the field. And come back. While me there around the wall, me hear pear knives around here. So when I come around here and look, me see whole line white clothes them dog wrong. So me say to him, say, yo, what going? And he make me know, say, my grandfather. I walk past and I look upon him. So through him look upon him, he shake off him clothes, the man come back. He always I look upon him like he want to intimidate him. So I stay so boom and come around, because I know I walk go around at the side with my cutlass, because I have oxy coconut. So when I come back and I see what I go on, I go around at the front and I look upon him and the black witch. And I say to them, say, when you know, say, when you always I trouble the youth, and when you don't trouble the youth, you call auntie a town and tell auntie, say, the man down here get problem, when you know, say, I only down here look trouble with the man and throw. And not found on a team up to tell lie, and she ever go believe in no lie, because so she stay. First thing my girl I go tell me, oh, go suck out your mama pussy. Start with her cussing. So me I walk come back round on the side round here, so. And I said to her, say, it's alright, man, enjoy yourself and easy, but man, because I don't see how to do things, no big people on the day.
Your voice